What is it?
It doesn't say, but it's a regular school bus.
That's crazy.
Well, read it. What's it say?
There's lots of words on it.
Well, read some of the words so you know what it is.
Look at all his butt!
I gotta get the gun. What other guns are? Oh, we having a nerf fight.
My God.
It's about to go down.
Right? I don't care.
Let me see.
Dang, Dad!
Come here.
Negative. I lost the other one. I didn't lose mine.
What, Junior?
I lost mine because, you know, thank God.
What, Junior?
Cool.
I never.
We can play a game for another game for family game night.
Me either.
Yes.
I needed some, so I have to spend my own money.
It's a drone! It's a drone! It's a drone!
Let's open it.
Okay.
What's up, child? Hi. Hello, Diary.
Yes! Ooh, we got a Skylander! Yes! Now is this mine? This is mine. Wait, this is a magnetic crystal? Is this a magnet? Yeah! Magnetic crystal! Magnetic crystal!
A creation crystal?
Yep, creation crystal. We can create Skylanders and imaginators. Oh, Kingpin! Coin! Oh, yeah! Crash! Banding up! Here's a bad guy. The desk is in here. The desk is in here. I am opening this thing up.
Why don't you open the rest of your presents first? Hurry up, because Sai wants to come out.
My new little party.
Hi, Osiris.
It's so
Hey, Sai. No. Mary, Kathy made the brownies.
What?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Almost everything Skylanders Imaginators. And, oh, who is this? It's better.
You didn't even open
It
it.
better be legendary Tri-Tech. It has to. And it is. Wow! Wow!
Go ahead.
It's let's go back, Juju. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You gotta go to the back.
Another one.
Because I'm big. No one's like,
Let me see. Turn around.
46 this year.
I know.
46 next week. How about that?
Ain't that crazy? Yeah, everybody knows.
Oh.
Oh, gerbil. No, I'm playing.
Y'all remember my brother, What the heck?
What is it?
Oh, it's a Pokemon
Oh.
Go Plus.
What?
What is a what?
It's a Pokemon Go Plus. I don't know what it do.
And you press the button.
I'm so sorry. I see your video.
Let's get the phone.